Okay, yes, we had the cold start. So we had the cold start. Okay, all right, guys. Let's hear the pops if we can make the pops. I don't know. We're just gonna rev it and see if it makes the pops. Let's just see. Okay, we had the pop. Sounds amazing, guys. Okay, let's just give it a wash, as I've just mentioned on my previous video. That the next video I take out, we're gonna do a wash. Okay, let's do that wash. Okay, all right, guys. Let's just do that wash, and then we'll see the final product. Okay, let's get straight to it, guys. Okay, awesome. The wash is done. You saw everything. We did the wash. Now it's time to see the final product. Let's see now, guys, how it looks, and then we'll take it from there, because I promise we're gonna do a wash on the second video and see how it looks. Then we know exactly what areas to target and what areas to change. But I think for exhaust system, I think nothing we're gonna change on that one, because the pops, I'm happy with the pops. The engine, we're gonna leave it stock. Okay, let's see the final product, guys, the one that we all been waiting for. After the wash, how it looks, because it was dirty, you saw. I just wanted to show everything from scratch to the next level of where we're taking it. So we'll see from here, guys. Let me just show you the final product. This is the final product. Okay. I don't know what you think. Leave the comment below. Just tell me how it looks as you seen the car now. Just tell me how it looks. For me, it's a big progress. It looks amazing, nice and clean. Never seen it this way I think for months now. Yeah, for months. That's the honest truth. Okay, it looks amazing. We'll see after this where we go from here. So we're gonna start the build after this. I just wanted to give it a wash, a nice good wash, so we know what we're working with here, guys. Okay, all right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, guys. Make sure you leave a comment. Don't just subscribe, because YouTube wants you to like, subscribe, and then leave a comment, because if you don't, you'll be unsubscribed automatically, guys. Okay, just join us on the journey building this ride, and then we'll see after that, guys. Okay, we're just gonna be uploading videos every week on the progress and how we're doing. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and leave a comment. See you on the next video.